everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upscale an image in Canva easily so your photo looks sharper and higher quality. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create a new design or open your old designs. And then next, just upload your image that you want to upscale and place it on your canvas like this. And then next, just go to apps, just search for the image upscaler, this one. And then just choose this image, click open, and then go to page like this, and then after that just tap on continue, and then just select your page, and then adjust the size, for example like this, and then next just tap on export. Okay, like this, and then next just choose your upscale resolutions, and then after that just click on upscale. And okay, like this, you can see the difference. Your image is now clearer and higher resolutions. It's more clearer like this. And when you're done, just go to add to designs. Okay, like this, like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.